To create an online store for your business on the Walmart Marketplace in 2024, follow this step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. Research and preparation. Analyze your products and their suitability for the Walmart Marketplace. Study the competition and understand the market trends. Prepare product descriptions, images, and pricing. Create a seller account. Visit the Walmart Marketplace website sell.walmart.com. Click on Sign Up and provide necessary information such as your name, email, and password. Complete the registration process by verifying your email and phone number. Apply for a seller account. Log into your Walmart Marketplace account. Fill out the application form with your business details, including your legal business name, contact information, and tax ID. Provide information about your products, including categories and the number of items you plan to sell. Upload required documents such as your tax ID, business license, and W-9 form, if applicable. Submit your application and wait for Walmart to review it. Get approved. Walmart will review your application and may request additional information. If approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to set up your seller account and start listing products. Set up your seller account. Log into your Walmart Marketplace account and navigate to the Seller Center. Complete the necessary onboarding tasks, such as providing shipping and return policies, payment information, and setting up your storefront. Customize your storefront by adding your logo, banner, and other branding elements. List your products. In the Seller Center, navigate to the Catalog or Inventory section. Begin adding your products one by one or using a product data feed, if available. For each product, provide accurate and detailed information such as title, description, images, price, and product attributes, e.g., size, color. Ensure your products meet Walmart's content and image guidelines. Manage inventory and orders. Regularly check and update your inventory levels to avoid overselling. Monitor your orders and ship them promptly. Use Walmart's provided shipping tools or integrate with your preferred shipping solution. Promote your store and products. Utilize Walmart's advertising options, such as sponsored products, to increase visibility. Engage with customers through Walmart's messaging system and provide excellent customer service. Monitor your store's performance using the analytics tools provided in the Seller Center and make necessary adjustments. Maintain compliance and grow your business. Stay up to date with Walmart's policies and guidelines to maintain a good seller performance. Continuously improve your product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies. Leverage customer feedback to enhance your products and services. Explore opportunities to expand your product categories and reach new customers. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be able to create an online store for your business on the Walmart Marketplace in 2024, catering to beginners and ensuring a smooth and successful journey. Remember to maintain a customer-centric approach, prioritize quality, and adapt to the ever-changing market dynamics to grow your business on the Walmart Marketplace.